And if you're first time using condensed glue gels, don't worry, it's really thick density. Make sure you blend it nicely. Everyone is weird today. I'm doing 2 nails at the same time, but I absolutely like it because I get to show you the different look from 2 different design, I guess. Look at that. If you're doing a blossom gel, each time you're doing it's gonna come out different colors. So I mean different look is blending and melting in a different look for you. So make sure you close the cap, close all the caps on your condensed glue gel and the caps for your brush, so then you're not gonna ruin both of them. Next we're gonna go into using a no wipe top coat. I just want to close it all the time. Floating on the top of unclear condensed glue gel. Great. Oh, that's gonna be something. I would love to get some green. No, the green. So we still have so many questions for what is the best way to place a crystal, or how do you want to decide to place a crystal on the nails. So it's really simple techniques. You just need to place them close together. The closer they're next together, it's going to create like a chain, so then it connects together. And then if they connect them like really close together, it's turned out really nice, and usually it lasts so long, at least 3 weeks to 6 weeks. Can you see it? Hopefully Instagram and Facebook can see me. I know it's the flowers like in the silver, but you can do silvers and gold at the same, like together. I mean together, because I have the gold veins in there and I really like that gold beads. You can do any other beads. You can do sorry, it's just a little bit far away from me. And if you place them close together, and then if you are if you want to place the beads, the best way to do is to place them between each crystal. I mean between the crystals. I said each crystal. So that's cool because we get to see 2 different looks. So then if your clients would like to get the nails done and they would like to get this look, you please make sure you advise your clients, consult with clients. They're gonna be is really similar, but they're not gonna be is exactly the same, because as you apply the blossom gel on and the way you create the colors like look like a tie-dye or marbling. It's gonna be different. All right. All right. This cute one. Let's move on to the heart. She's so cute. Can I get the silver beads? Silver beads? Sorry, I was next to me, but it's a little bit up my. Right. Let me put the silver beads here so then you can compare which one you like. You have the option of silver and gold. And continue to put it right between the crystals. And you can do it. If you don't want, or the clients just don't want this bead, you can just skip this. But I think it's just kind of fun to add a little bit more so it make more defined. I don't know, it looks super cute. I keep going. If you want to go more, I think you absolutely can. Because if no one stop me, I might cover whole entire nails. Just kidding. Yeah, okay. if you like it. We are going to cure under the area lights for 60 seconds. It's better like that. Somehow is okay, now we'll keep it for 60 seconds. Thank you, Marisa. And after that, we just need to using precision glue, and then we can be done with that nails. So today we did good. We didn't like we did 5 only, I think, but we did like blossom gel, and also answer a lot of questions from so many of you would like to see a blossom gel, and we did 3 and 2 more. But I kind of like it because anyhow the comparisons of what you would like. No, up higher. There you go. And then we're done with these 2 nails. We are going to put precision glue on both of them. I have my forever precision glue. It lasts forever. I'm not kidding at all. It takes a long time to go through all of this bottle because each time you're using it for the cracks and gaps and the edges of the crystal. But then if you have a little beads that you forget you want the beads on the nails, you can also using the other end, the brush, and then you can apply a little precision glue and place your little beads in there. It will last as well and is tag free. All right, so I'm gonna feel it first before I squeeze any precision glue on, because you don't need a whole lot. A little go a long way. I'm gonna do this one too. You know why I'm holding? I like to do both of them now because it's easy for me to hold them, both of them, instead of me putting it down, because with my nails I couldn't grab it because on a flat surface. So I'm better hold this. I do this one better. All right. So before I place it under the LED lamps, I'm gonna give it a swipe quick. I can see that they have the little like residues, extra precision glue here. I'm gonna give it a swipe right along with the crystals. So after we're done, it's gonna look really nice and flawless. It's really minimize of all that like lumpy and bumpy from a precision glue residues. All right, so now we're gonna keep it for 60 seconds.